Welcome back to Cruise Talk with Rob and Trish. Is the cruise drink package really worth it?
Who should buy it? Who shouldn't? What about specialty coffee, the soda package, alcohol packages?
Who should buy it? Anybody that wants to, but it's something that you need to think about yourself as you're preparing for your cruise. If you get the drink package, you have available cocktails and soda at any venue on the ship, and that includes when you're at supper or lunch. So, for us, we usually buy it. Trish likes to get a cocktail once in a while. I like having Diet Coke anytime I want it. And once in a while, Trish will get a glass of champagne. It does cost a little extra.
It is. Yeah, so on the soda package, which allows you to get the sodas, the juices, the specialty coffees, things like that, is more cost effective than the alcohol package.
Right.
Because with the alcohol package, if one person in the room gets it, every adult in the room has to purchase the alcohol package. And depending on how much you drink, that can be very pricey. You have a max of 15 drinks per day. So if you're not going to drink 15 alcohol drinks a day, not worth it.
So one of the options is to get the soda package for both.
Yes.
And we can just buy a cocktail for Trish once in a while.
Correct.
And that's probably the best cost-effective method. Because you do like to get the Topo Chico and the drinks like
Pellegrino.
That. And then we can just buy a cocktail once in a while. Now, one of the other parts of the drink package that come in handy is with the specialty coffee. Remember, one of the things about cruising is that everything's included, but not quite everything. If you want to get a specialty coffee, it's not necessarily included, but the drink package will get that for you. Now, if you just want to have black coffee from the dispenser, they have an urn with coffee and it's ready for you every morning. So that's good. And it's included in the cost of your fare. But we like to go to Starbucks once in a while. So the soda package includes that.
Yeah. And with Starbucks, you can use your Starbucks app.
Right.
To pay for it. So.
Yeah. Trish loads the app before we board.
I do.
Yeah.
I load it before we board. I load my Starbucks app so we don't have to worry about it.
And that way you can get a caramel macchiato right there.
Yeah.
So when you're preparing for your cruise, you need to do the math yourself.
Yeah.
And you know if you're a heavy drinker and you know if you're not a heavy drinker.
Yeah.
If someone is going on the cruise planning to drink alcohol a lot, you should probably get the drink package.
Yeah. Totally. So with the soda package, you get your Cokes, Pellegrino, your sparkling waters, your juices, your smoothies. You get, if the ship has a Johnny Rockets, if you're on Royal, you get the shakes.
Right.
But if you're trying to go on a budget, if you're cruising on a budget, you don't have to purchase the soda package, the refreshment package, because you do get water, teas, coffee, juices,
right,
included in the cost of your fare, and you can get those anytime you want.
Right.
So if you're a budget cruiser, you can certainly
do this without getting the drink package.
Absolutely.
For us, we like to have it because it makes it a little more convenient, and we like getting a nice coffee in the morning, and Trish likes to get a glass of champagne once in a while, and we've even gotten tequila sunrise for Trish one time after she won big in the casino. So for Rob and Trish, we think the drink package is worth it. For other cruisers, it might not be worth it, but it's math that you should do yourself as you're preparing for your next trip. So if you're preparing for your next cruise and you're doing the math on the drink package, take a look at if you're going to be drinking a lot of alcohol or if you're just going to have a couple of cocktails. It might be better to get the soda package. We like to get the drink package so that Trish can have whatever she pleases from time to time, and it's a lot of fun. It might not be the right math for you, but you need to decide for yourself. In our opinion, the drink package makes your cruise a little more fun. So we'll see you next Wednesday.